Hi guys, so from the title down below you can see that I'll be doing a neutral summertime look. And yeah, I decided to do this look because not everybody wants to wear color in the summertime, even though it's generally that time to wear the colors and all that. But I for one won't be able to wear all colors all the time because I'll be working, so you have to give it that corporate look. And this is something I say would be go well for the summertime, because you know you have that inner corner glow that will just give your face that brightness. And yeah, this is a neutral eye with a bit of gold in the inner corner just to give it that summer glow, and a bit of glow on the cheeks. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I didn't show the foundation or the concealer because hopefully soon I'll be recording my whole routine for that, and I hope you guys stay tuned for that also. So thank you and continue watching the video. have done it if she didn't push me to, because I'm a little bit shy. Yeah, I know I do videos, but I'm still a little bit shy to do certain things. So yeah, thank you, girl. I really appreciate it.